What if I told you that a small secret could revolutionize your post-gastric balloon diet? Something that almost no one talks about, but that can determine whether you will truly lose weight or end up frustrated with the results. The truth is, many people make a silent mistake that sabotages their entire adaptation process, causing discomfort, stagnation, and even weight gain. And the worst part, they don't even realize it. You may be following all the rules, going through the diet progression, making sure to stay hydrated, choosing lean proteins and fiber. But if you ignore this detail, all your efforts may go to waste. So, if you don't want to fall into the same trap as so many others and truly make your gastric balloon work in your favor, stay with me until the end. I'm going to reveal what no one tells you and how small changes can make a huge difference in your results. And trust me, once you know this, everything will make sense. Are you ready? Initial post-procedure phase. The first few days after getting a gastric balloon can be challenging. Your body needs to adjust to this new reality, and it's completely normal to feel some level of discomfort. Some people experience nausea, constant feeling of fullness, and even mild cramps. The key to dealing with this? Strictly following medical guidelines. Even if you think you're feeling fine, stopping prescribed medications too soon can be a huge mistake. These medications aren't just for show. They help prevent severe pain, acid reflux, and possible complications that might even lead to balloon removal. Think of it as an investment in your own comfort. A few days of discipline now can save you weeks of frustration later. Another crucial point is understanding that every body reacts differently. Some people feel better within a few days, while others take a bit longer to adjust. The important thing is not to compare your journey with anyone else's, and most importantly, not to rush the process. Respecting your body's signals is key to a smooth adaptation. And pay attention. Any unusual symptoms, like unbearable pain or persistent vomiting, should be reported to your medical team immediately. After all, the goal here is to make the gastric balloon your ally in your weight loss journey, not an additional problem. And speaking of progress, the liquid diet phase is right around the corner, requiring a new level of discipline, but also bringing great benefits. Clear liquid diet phase. Now comes one of the most crucial phases of gastric balloon adaptation, the clear liquid diet. In the first few days, your stomach is still sensitive, and any misstep can cause major discomfort. The rule is simple: light, easy to digest liquids. This includes water, natural broths, and sugar-free beverages. It may seem like very little, but this phase is critical to allowing your body to get used to the new, reduced stomach capacity. Many people underestimate this stage and try to cheat by consuming something heavier. A big mistake. Sticking to the plan prevents complications and speeds up the diet progression to the next phases. Another essential detail is how these liquids are consumed. No large gulps or drinking too fast. The best approach is slow sips at short intervals, allowing your body to process everything without trouble. Carbonated, alcoholic, and caffeinated beverages are completely off limits. They irritate the stomach and can cause bloating, pain, and even acid reflux. If you're craving variety, try herbal tea or fruit-infused water. Staying hydrated is critical, and learning to listen to your body's signals will make all the difference for the next steps. Transition to pureed and soft foods. With your body more adapted to the gastric balloon, it's time to introduce new foods. But don't rush. This isn't the time for big portions. Start with soft textures like purees, smoothies, and creamy soups. This phase of diet progression is delicate. Your stomach is still sensitive, and skipping steps can lead to discomfort, nausea, and even vomiting. Patience is key. Each new texture should be introduced gradually, giving your body enough time to adjust. A good tip is to opt for homemade meals, avoiding ultra-processed foods filled with preservatives that could irritate your digestive system. After purees, soft foods can be included in your diet. Scrambled eggs, cottage cheese, porridge, and well-cooked greens are excellent options for this transition. But a common mistake is eating too quickly without paying attention to fullness cues. The new rule: chew slowly and recognize satiety before overdoing it. Ignoring this can lead to pain and that unpleasant feeling of heaviness in your stomach. This phase is also the perfect time to reinforce lean protein and fiber intake, setting the stage for the final step of dietary reintroduction, where variety increases, but smart choices remain crucial. Solid foods phase and long-term success. Now that your stomach has gone through all the adaptation phases, it's time for the most anticipated moment, introducing solid foods. But this doesn't mean going back to old habits. Here, food quality makes all the difference. The focus should be on lean proteins, like chicken, fish, and eggs, along with fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Sugars and refined carbohydrates, better to avoid. They not only hinder weight loss, but also cause glucose spikes, leading to constant hunger and the dreaded weight regain. The best strategy is to build balanced meals that prioritize satiety and healthy eating. Another crucial factor is how these foods are consumed. Now more than ever, slow and mindful chewing is essential to prevent digestive discomfort. Smaller portions, more frequent meals, and paying attention to your body's signals ensure that nutrients are well absorbed and digestion runs smoothly. Hydration remains a priority. But now, drinking water shouldn't happen during meals, as it can interfere with digestion. This is the time to solidify habits and make food your permanent ally in weight loss. But to maintain results in the long run, there's still one fundamental detail that many people overlook. Key takeaways and additional tips. One of the biggest lessons from this process is that the gastric balloon is not magic. It's a tool, and success depends on daily choices. Regular communication with your clinic in the first months is essential, as any doubts or unusual symptoms should be addressed immediately. Additionally, everyone adapts at a different pace, and comparing yourself to others only creates frustration. Some people quickly move on to solids, while others need more time. In the intermediate phases, the key: listen to your body and respect your journey. Patience and consistency make all the difference in achieving sustainable weight loss. Another crucial point is that the gastric balloon works best when combined with other strategies. Adding fiber supplements can help with satiety and digestion, while lean proteins preserve muscle mass and prevent weakness. Some people also use doctor-approved medications to enhance results, but ultimately, nothing replaces healthy eating and balance. This mindset shift ensures that the lost weight stays off. And now comes the best part. There's a little-known secret that can revolutionize your post-balloon journey. Now that you have all this knowledge, the question is, will you apply it? The power is in your hands. If this content helped you gain clarity, don't stop here. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and continue learning valuable insights to guide your transformation. You deserve to live this new phase in the best way possible. Now tell me, what was your biggest insight today? Comment below and let's talk about it.